Hi guys! Welcome to the Panda Vlogs, and for today's video, I'm gonna try to follow Ate Raiza Contawi's makeup tutorial. So, napili kong makeup tutorial niya is yung Single Ladies Chocolate For You Anti-Valentine's Makeup Look. So, I don't know if magagawa ko to ng ayos kasi for me, Ate Raiza is really a professional makeup artist. And nakita ko na siya one time sa Yepononi sa I think last year pa yun. And sobrang ganda niya and sobrang creative and talented niya. So, nung nauso tong challenge na to, nag-isip talaga ako ng YouTuber na gusto kong gayahin. Actually, madami akong nasa isip, pero gusto ko unahin si Ate Raiza kasi sobrang hands down ako sa talent na meron siya. So, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and let's get started. So, first off, naka-black siya na tank top. Actually, mas makapal yung strap kaso wala ako nun and wala din akong necklaces na katulad na sa kanya. So, let's just leave it like this and medyo kinulang tayo sa wardrobe pero hindi naman yun yung gagawin natin ngayon is makeup kasi diba dapat. And medyo parang sponsor dating video na to ng sleek. So, wala akong masyadong sleek na makeup. So, I'll just try to find kung ano yung closest na meron ako sa makeup collection ko. So, ayan.
And I will be starting with the base. I already moisturized my face and I'm going ahead with the sleek makeup oil-free.
So, the first thing that she used is a
oil-free cream to powder base foundation.
Unfortunately, wala akong cream foundation. So, I'm just gonna use my Fenty Beauty foundation kasi medyo maganda naman yung coverage nito. And as you can see, nagpa-derma ako and so ang dami kong marks. Actually, kanina lang ako nagpa-derma so hindi ko alam if ano mangyayari sa skin ko kasi nagme-makeup ako ngayon. Actually, sabi ng derma ko, huwag ako magbasa ng face kasi may nilagay siya na gamot. So, hindi ako nagbasa ng face pero nagme-makeup ako ngayon. I don't know kung anong mangyayari sa skin ko pero promise, magmamatinding skincare ako after this video. Kasi gusto ko na siyang matapos para ma-up ko na siya this weekend. So, we'll see. So, what she did is, nag-spread siya ng foundation sa face niya. So, parang scoop niya yung cream foundation and then spread niya using a brush. And then, she used a Real Techniques na sponge. So, meron ako nun. Wait, parang dapat i-spread ko muna siya using a brush. Tama ba? Kasi yun yung ginamit niya. Kaso wala ako ng maliit na brush.
So far it feels that way. So I don't have a sleek powder.
So I don't have a sleek powder, so I'm just going to powder it and then we're going ahead.
Okay, so hindi siya nag-concealer. As in like straight to powder na siya. Pero yun nga, hindi tayo pwedeng hindi mag-concealer kasi sobrang dami pong pimple marks everywhere. So, I'm just gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the shade medium kasi kailangan natin ng full coverage. So, medyo madami talaga yung tatakpan.
Every moment is another chance. Loving you is all I wanted. I'm wide open for a love affair. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby.
Hindi niya pinakita kung ano yung powder na ginamit niya kasi hindi slick. So, I'm just gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 220. Sobrang favorite ko to, guys. As you can see. So, now she did her brows. And, let's see kung paano niya gawin. I-mute ko lang. Medyo makapal siya mag-eyebrows. So, hindi ako sanay ng makapal na eyebrows. And medyo parang Korean brows yung meron siya. So, let's try if magagawa ko na makapal yung eyebrows ko. So, ginawa niya yung spoolie niya muna. Tapos, parang meron siyang nilagay. Parang siyang, hindi ko ma-explain yung product. Parang, may applicator siya and then parang may brush din siya na spoolie. So, So, parang yun yung ginamit niya. Pero wala ako nun. So, let's just go with the usual. This is from BLK Cosmetics. This is my favorite. Second o third ko na ata to. Ever since nakuha ko siya. Ever since naging favorite ko siya, nagamit ko siya. Ayan. Favorite ko to. Pero medyo may kamahalan siya, like 200 something.
But what I'm impressed about this palette, because I first put like that.
So the first thing that she's gonna use sa overall lids is medyo orangey red. So, meron akong 35 OM from Morphe na palette, and I think medyo hawig siya nito. Pero parang light siya sa camera. So, hindi ko alam if like, similar talaga yung color niya dito sa meron sa akin. Pero, hopefully, it's the same. Wait? And then the next thing that she used is a brown, like chocolate brown na eyeshadow. So I think it looks like this one right here. So let's see if it's gonna work. Yeah, medyo similar. And then, gumamit siya ng parang clean lang na brush. Tapos, ni-blend niya lang lahat. Yeah. So, 3, 2, 1. Ako marunong mag-transition ng ganun. So, kunwari na lang nag-transition tayo. Gamitin ko is yung Modern Renaissance na palette. Yung shade na Primavera. Yung sa kanya medyo may glitter na malalaki. Na parang gold. Kasi this one is medyo fine. So, sana maging similar pa din. So, gumamit siya ng parang liquid eyeliner. So, gagamitin ko is this Caroline Graph Ink liner na waterproof. Tapos, nag-line siya for wing. Oh my God. Miss Raiza, okay na ba yung eyeliner? Hindi talaga ako magaling sa eyeliner. Kaya tuwang-tuwa ako dun sa Skin Potions na may eyeliner kasi stamp mo lang siya. So, kaso medyo ubos na yung akin. Natuyo na siya. So, ginamit niya yung dark brown. Ito na. Tapos, nilagay na here. Now, she's gonna put on eyelashes, pero she didn't curl her lashes sa video, pero I'm gonna curl mine, even though wala akong eyelashes. I have this red cherry eyelashes that I got from Swish. I'm back. Meron akong lashes. I'm gonna use this Kat Von D na contour palette. Then I'm gonna use this color, yung lightest. Nag-dip siya dun sa contour powder and then nilagay niya dito. Parang, hindi ko alam why. Parang like sobrang bright pink and meron akong sobrang similar pero it's from MAC. This is called Life's a Picnic. As in sobrang similar. Wait, tada! Hindi ko alam if like similar. Ang light niya sa ano, sa tawag dito, sa camera. Now, onto the lips. So, gumamit siya ng Magni Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream in Chocolate Meringue. And actually, meron din ako nun. Pinabili ko siya kay Michael kasi nga, nung pinanood ko yung video na to, parang sabi ko, ang onti lang ng sleek makeup. Parang gusto ko medyo may similar. And parang gusto ko talagang gayahin yung look niya. Kahit sa lips lang, yung sobrang same. Kasi nga, mahirap maghanap ng sobrang similar na lip color, diba? So dark. Potions Glow Balm. This is my favorite na highlighting palette. So I'm gonna use this one. Well, actually, pag mix ko na itong dalawa. So, she used the fan brush too. That's how she did it. Parang like this. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video because I really enjoyed doing this. And don't forget to click the bell right beside the subscribe button so you'll get notified every time I post. And that's it. God bless.
Smiling like that, I can never resist that.